Amber Heard is forced to give out new crucial evidence to Johnny Depp. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel HereLuxLife. The rugged case of Amber Heard and Johnny Depp has now taken a keen interest. Moving forward, the actress is compelled to hand out necessary evidence to Johnny Depp. What is it about? How could it be significant? Let us talk about it in today's video. First things first, Johnny Depp is in the hands of significant evidence. It reflected how the model had given false statements like her witnesses. Well, it might get Amber Heard into big trouble with the potential of some serious charges. One of the hearings covers the scene in which her friend described a chaotic scene after an explosive argument. She did not highlight some essential details of the apartment articles and some stains. But the actor and attorney further presented footage at the scene after police officers visited the area. It looks polar opposite from the description of Amber Heard. It is not feasible that the actor would have changed the details instantly. Something was definitely fishy in this case, as the images also indicate. It was backed by a statement showing the quite neat and clean apartment. Heard blamed her former husband for hitting her with a mobile phone straight in the face. Besides that, the actress even threw awesome wine bottles, baskets, picture frames, and glasses. The officials were present just 15 minutes after the reported incident. While the scenario came out to be pretty shocking in this case, they made an official statement about not finding any signs of violence in the actress. At the same time, the victim was hesitant to present any further details. The footage and statements proved Amber Heard to be the liar here. She tried her best to manipulate the court and turn things in her favor. According to Johnny Depp's lawyer, the video indicated how things were smashed into pieces abruptly. The same was done by Amber and her friends. Some things included candlesticks, glasses, baskets, and other significant things. Besides that, there was no trace of red wine that Johnny Depp had allegedly splashed over the carpets. This critical detail has undoubtedly moved the case in a different direction. Moreover, it is set for a trial in April next year. We could expect Johnny Depp to grow more robust in evidence and witnesses. After all, Amber Heard has not spared a single moment to defame her former husband. She even became the public face of the #MeToo movement at some point in time. The actress could not resist ignoring all these shocking allegations. The world perceived Amber Heard to be abused by Johnny Depp. There is no denying that Amber Heard aimed to manipulate the whole scenario. That included the images of bruises to prove her side. Moreover, Johnny Depp has always refused any kind of evidence against him. The entire audience was divided into two segments, including supporters of Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. There was also a debate about whether Depp should be a part of movies or not. It persisted as long as Johnny Depp was the villain of the story. However, Amber Heard seems to be causing domestic violence on her partner. There was a general audio confession collected by a few sources. In the same, the actress confessed to hitting Johnny Depp. The conversation initially began with a discussion of the couple's marriage issues. It soon turned into Amber Heard opening up about being violent with her former husband. Surprisingly, she was apologetic about not giving a proper slap to Johnny Depp. She aimed to punch him instead of touching him. Well, all of these details could be heard from Amber Heard's mouth. She even mentioned the absurd motion of her hand. Thus, we could imagine how harsh Amber would have been. Heard has been regarded as the face of women's rights and domestic violence advocates for a long time. It seems ironic to notice such toxic actions initiated by her. Moreover, she blamed Johnny Depp for everything that happened. She believed that the actor was just trying to be a baby. It was clear that he was not at blame here. After all, Amber Heard has a long-term habit of playing the victim for almost anything and everything. She even poked the actor about the injury caused to her. To summarize, the phone conversation was around 2 hours long. It comprised some details about the argument and insider details. Johnny Depp even included some of the bruises photographs in his $50 million defamation case against Heard. Thus, the phone conversation was indeed actual in this aspect. Moreover, there was a direct reference to an Australian trip where Depp was noticed with a severed finger. The injury was noticed after 1 month into his marriage with Amber Heard. According to the actor's claims, the reason was none other than his former wife. She was pretty enraged about signing the post-nuptial agreement on an immediate basis, so her anger soon led to throwing up bottles and making things messy. Things turned worse as one of the bottles touched the marble countertop and burst. It further caused Johnny's finger to rip off in the whole process. We could also expect other significant details collected through the tape. Johnny Depp stated that he left the previous night, and honestly, he swore to her because he couldn't just take the idea of more physical abuse and physicality on each other. He pleads this to her in one of his recordings. He further stated that it would have gotten so bad because they had continued it, and he was in the middle of that stated baby to her. Further continued saying, "Baby, he said to her once that he is scared to death. They are a crime scene right now." After Heard released an op-ed for The Washington Post, Johnny Depp filed a $15 million defamation libel suit in Virginia court. She gave all the details about her tragic experience of domestic violence and being a victim. In that article, she became the public figure representing domestic violence and physical abuse, and she felt that all the force of a culture's wrath for women who opens up is there. She didn't mention Johnny Depp by his name. Nonetheless, Johnny Depp claimed that it implicated him as the physical and domestic abuser, which ruined his reputation and caused him to lose his unique role in Pirates of the Caribbean Sea as Captain Jack Sparrow. His libel suit stated that he is the victim of an elaborate hoax instigated by Amber Heard to generate positive publicity and boost her career. As per the libel suit of Depp, Amber Heard is not a victim of any physical abuse, and instead of that, she is the perpetrator. He further stated that Heard kicked him, punished him, and repeatedly threw objects over his body and head, including burning candles, soda cans, TV remote, and paint thinner cans that injured him. Over the entire thing, Amber Heard responded by writing a 300-page filing. She cataloged the horrific abuse she faced and claimed to have suffered. Depp's hands described him as a monster and recalled the allegations she made various times. The filing made by Heard includes some pictures of her scars and bruises and clumps of hair torn from her head and pictures of torn furniture, illustrating that violence happened and she was subjected to hook up with Depp. Johnny Depp somehow won the lawsuit against Heard when the judge of New York court stated things in his favor. The lawsuit Depp made also requested her to disclose if she donated a part of her divorce settlement to the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles and ACLU, or the American Civil Liberties Union. As per some sources, over Depp and Amber's divorce, the latter also pledged to donate the $7 million that she got from the divorce settlement to the CHLA and ACLU. Also, as per some court papers, Johnny Depp and his lawyers asked both the parties to disclose what Heard has donated to them. A New York judge has permitted Johnny Depp to satisfy his eagerness, and the ACLU was asked to release all the donation documents to verify. It could be noticed that Amber Heard is giving all signs of being the gold digger here, so Johnny Depp had already sued the ACLU to compel the non-profit organization. The actor's primary intention lied in knowing Amber Heard's pledge to nations. After all, the case would help him reverse the wife-beater case against the son. It seems that Amber has still not paid the total amount of the concerned authorities, thus she might have spent the divorce settlement on other ventures. Some sources even claim the primary objective of Amber Heard is to make money from Johnny's massive wealth. If it is true, Amber Heard has already accomplished most of her goals. She must pay the money immediately to avoid any trouble imposed on her. All of this evidence gives a red signal to her, and it would be intimidating to see what happens next. What are your assumptions about the upcoming trial of Amber Heard and Johnny Depp's case? Let us know in the comment section, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.